are going to see the problem number 1480, returning sum of 1D array. So given an array nums, we define a running sum of an array is as the sum of the number at the index plus the previous number. So basically, if there is an input given to you like this 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, so the result that they want is they want us to give the result as a running sum. So the first element will be 1 itself, then for the second element will be the sum of the number itself plus the previous element, that is sum of 1 and 2, so that will be 3. So similarly the next element will be the number itself, that is 3 here, and then the sum of the previous elements. So 3 plus 3, the result will be 6, and the last element will be the number itself, that is 4 plus the sum of the previous element 6, so this will be 10. So by looking at this problem, the simple solution that we can design is we can make a array result which whose index will be equal to the nums of I plus the previous element, that is the result itself, that is the previous element of the result itself. So this will be the basic formula that you can build for making up the running sum of a 1D array. So basically what you have to, let's write the pseudocode basically. So the what we have to do is we have to iterate over each element and add in the formula. So the formula that we have built is this one. So let's do it. So in this, let's declare a result array, as we have to return the sum in the form of an array. So in result new, what is going to be the length? The length is going to be equal to the length of the provided array. So we'll take it as this nums.length, and then we need to iterate over it. Plus plus. So what is going to be my result? Result is going to be nums of I plus the results previous element. Now if we go ahead with this logic, what we can notice is if the value of I is equal to 0, then this will throw error because there is no negative index in an array, right? So we can just handle it with a condition. If I is equal to 0, then result of I is equal to nums of I. We will just make it equal to, because the 0th element is always going to be the same in the result itself, because there is no previous element to the 0th index. And else we'll put it in the else part. Anything other than that, we can make the sum to be this way. I'll just remove. So we have declared the result array, and then we are iterating over each element, and we are checking if the element is the 0th element, then we are making it as equal to the number at the 0th element itself, because in a running array there is no element previous to the 0th index. Else we are making the result to be equal to the number plus the result's previous index. So here we can return result and close it. So here with this solution we should be good. Let's submit and see. Yes, it's getting accepted. Let's submit it. Yeah, so it is a faster solution. Basically, we are just iterating over loop once, that is in O1 O of n, and we are assigning the result to the result array, and we are returning it back. Thank you.